Welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, let us understand how Scrum is a framework and not a methodology. There is a popular belief about Scrum that it is a methodology and not a framework. To understand this better, let us first understand what is meant by a methodology. Methodology is a set of methods or steps in a particular area or activity, whereas framework is a basic structure underlying a system or a concept. Now, going back to the Scrum framework definition, it says it is a framework to support complex product development. So, Scrum framework offers you certain guidelines and not some rigid rules or steps that you should follow. Scrum adapts to what your environment is. So, use Scrum according to your needs and not add some set of procedure or steps. That is all about Scrum as a framework. Thank you so much for watching.